How you doing today? Today I'm going to take you guys on a little river walk. As you can see, there's the road. I made my way down here, and there's my stuff over there, so we're going to go up and continue along this path here. This here, I don't know if you can see, it's pretty much all sand up here on the bank from the winter and the high water. Come down here. You'll see all the sandbars, and I'm going to grab my stuff here, and we're going to continue going upriver. Another little river going in there. Again with all the sand. You can see there. Make our way up the river here. Really nice day out today. A lot of the banks are eroded away, as you can see. Again up here though, just where the water was so high, it's all washed up. You get extra rivers coming in over here. There's another little channel there all dried up. Here's that river here. Jeez, what a nice day. I'm going to continue back up along here. I don't know what this is here. It seems to be a little waterfall made up over time of, I guess, trees coming down the river. And created that. All the trees are blocked off. I guess you can blame that on Hurricane Juan when he knocked down all the trees. This is the top here of that waterfall there that's made by trees. And basically the river comes down onto the sandbar and splits into two and goes down to that waterfall. Nice day. Alright, we're going to truck her right up along here through this path. Real muddy it gets here. And again, you can see all the trees down across the river. I go around them over here. It's like a swampland back here. Alright, we're going to come back to the river just over here. I'm going to pause this video, stop it, and we'll go on to number 2, part 2.